This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Chevy Malibu. This happens to be a 2011 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the computer. First thing we want to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now, this is where the computer is located, right here. Right in front of the battery. Now, to help us to remove the computer, we're going to remove this inlet tube down to the washer tank. We got a little push pin right here, and we're going to pop that up like that, take that out of the way, and then we will take our inlet tube out of the way. Now you can see you can get at the computer a lot easier. Next thing we have to do is to remove the electrical connectors from the computer. There are two of them right down here. We got these little red locks we gotta push up. After we do that, we're going to push in this little piece right here. Remove that connector. And we got this one over here. And we remove that. Now the computer itself is held in by these little tabs right there. One on this side and one right there. So all we have to do is press that in by a finger. Now I just pushed in the tabs that hold the computer in. Now we just pull it up and out. There it is. So that's all there is to removing a computer from your Chevy Malibu.